Welcome. Previous class we have discussed on total splitting energy for octahedral, tetrahedral and cubic complexes. Today we discuss the relationship between these three, that is octahedral, tetrahedral and cubic complexes. So today basically we will discuss the relationship between delta O, delta C and delta T. So I have discussed that for delta, we have seen that for delta O, that is octahedral, ligands are approaching from ligands approach ligand approach from axial. Similarly for delta C, that is cubic complexes, ligand approach from corner, that is non-axial. Similarly for tetrahedral also, that is tetrahedral, that is ligand approach from non-axials. And here we have, let's say here we have 6 ligands, here we have 8 ligands, here we have 4 ligands. And it will be very important to understand that whenever if I talk about for octahedral, let's say this is the orbitals for octahedrals, and let's say this is the phase centers. Let's say it is the phase centers and it has that octahedrals. And if ligands are approaching from these sides, the ligands are approaching, so these ligands are approaching in the phase center. So lobes are always at phase centers. These lobes are always phase center. Ligand is also approaching phase center. So the angle between them is, let's say, the theta. If the angle between is theta, or we can say and for tetrahedrals, what you see that, let's say it is, and ligands are always at the edge centers. Here that ligands are approaching from phase centers, here ligands are approaching at the edge centers, and the lobes are always these are the lobes. So angle between them is, that is 1 theta. Okay, so non-axial lobes are always edge center. Non-axial lobes are always edge center. Or I can say, let's say this is the metal, and let's say these are the axials, and let's say these are the non-axials. Non-axials. Okay, so when the lobes are like this, let's say, and these are the lobes, and ligands are this the ligands. Okay, so there is having the directly this is the direct, they have the connections, direct repulsions. And for non-axials, if I say the same things I will draw here, and if it is that, and if the ligands is here ligands will be here. So in between them they have that this and this, they have the theta. Okay, but here the theta is 0. Okay, so for this the direct repulsions, and so here that repulsions is high, the repulsions is decreases. So non-axial lobes are always at centers, because I'll say that non-axial lobes are always at center. So I can say that here the repulsion is increases, the repulsion is decreases. So ligands are coming at dead centers, and ligands are coming at the base centered. Okay. Now, if I talk about that octahedral, and if I talk about the tetrahedral, then you see that if this is the lobes, and if the ligands is here, and again if these are the lobes, and if ligands are here, so we can see that they have that this type of angles, theta. Okay, so we see that here this is the r naught, then here we see that this will becomes r naught cos theta. Okay, that the things rc, and where cos theta is equal to 2 upon 3. So if octahedral is r naught, then this will be that uh, r naught 2 upon 3. Okay, if we say that this is for rc, then this is for 2 upon 3, or any angles. Hmm? this type of relationship set H. Okay, so if I talk about of that octahedrals, so for octahedrals we have 6 ligands, and for tetrahedrals we have 4 ligands. So total splitting is delta knots for this. Here total splitting is delta T. Okay, and what we know that 4 ligands, or you can say here that 6 ligands H splitting of delta knot. Okay, because 6 ligands is coming, for that we have the delta knots. Okay, so for 1 ligands it will have delta knot upon 6, and here for 1 ligands we have delta T upon 4. Okay, so now if I do the relationship between this and this, then how can I do a relationship? So what is see that here for, if I say, and for cubic we have that 8 ligands, and for 8 ligands we have that delta C, and so 1 ligands we have delta C upon 8. Okay, so 8 ligands have delta C, and RC is equal to, and we know that RC is equal to 2 upon 3 R naught. Yes, RC is equal to 2 upon 3 R naught, because R naught is this, so RC equal to 2 upon 3 R naught, and 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 we know that 1 ligand is equal to how much? 1 ligand is delta C upon 8. So can I put this value delta C upon 8? Hmm. 2 3 upon R naught. Okay, this we know 2 3 upon R naught, and this R naught, this R naught I can write that is equal to delta oh, okay, this is 2 upon 3 delta naught. Okay, so this delta naught is 2 upon 3, so 1 ligand H delta naught upon 6, this is R naught, and R naught is equal to how much? Delta naught upon 6. 1 ligand or R naught is same, the delta naught upon 6, so here I will do delta naught upon 6, that is going to become 2 delta naught upon 18, that is going to become delta naught upon 9. Hmm? So actually one this is equal to, this is R naught equal to delta naught upon 6. So here this R naught I can put here and I can find it out. Similarly for tetrahedrals, that 4 ligands it H, 4 ligands H delta T, so 1 ligand H delta T upon 4, so 1 ligand or 1 RT we can say, that is equal to delta T upon 4. Okay, and the relationship between here is what we see that so what you see here that RC is equal to this, and one ligand is equal to delta naught upon 9. Delta naught upon 9. No. That is Rc. Okay, that Rc is equal to delta naught upon 9. That we see. Okay, delta naught upon 9. That is also one ligand is equal to delta naught upon 9. Okay. And here we have that 8 ligands, then that is 8 delta naught upon 9. And if it has that one ligands, this is for that octahedral case, 8 ligands it has, so delta naught upon 9. Okay, so both the case that is coming axially, so here also you can say that if you have 4 ligands, then that is going to become 4 upon 9 delta naught. Okay. So here that you can see that repulsions case. Here you can see that 8 nodes, and this is more repulsions and this is less repulsions. And for the case of that, so we see that delta C is equal to 2 upon delta T, that is 859 delta naught. Okay, so this is first is delta T, then delta C, then delta naught. This is the repulsions order.